Is there something after there's nothing to say?
What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. As a lot of you guys know, I used to go thrifting a lot. Like a lot. But I actually haven't gone thrifting in a long time. First of all, because of the panini. Second of all, I realized that I actually have so many clothes in my closet. And third of all, we all know that thrifting is more sustainable and eco-friendly than buying new from retail stores because you're giving clothes a second life instead of letting them go to the landfill or creating new clothes from scratch, using more water and resources and labor. But overconsumption is still overconsumption. You know what I mean? So I used to kind of fool myself into thinking that just because I was thrifting, that everything that I did around thrifting was good and like good for the planet, which is kind of not the case. And I think that because I used to do a lot of thrifting videos and like Thrift With Me's and thrift hauls, I felt a lot of pressure to buy a lot of clothes so that I could have a haul to show you guys, when in reality I probably didn't need to buy like half of those things. I see that as such a trend slash characteristic of social media, needing to show exuberance. Wait, is that? It's been 7 years since I've taken the SATs. Exuberance. That's opulence? I'm embarrassed. Opulence? Great, well, okay, not like excessive. Wait. Excessiveness. I really wanted to sound very like S-A-T-A-E. Excess. Okay, what was I saying? The point is that if you have more things to show, if you show that you have like wealth, even though thrifting was initially for... Anyway, social media is full of like showing that you have excess, which is kind of ironic because the reason why I started thrifting when I was like 10, 11 was because I wasn't able to afford clothes that other kids were wearing. It's so interesting because at that time, like thrifting was so embarrassing, but now it's so trendy and like all the girlies do it, which I think is overall a really good thing. But whenever I do go thrifting now, I definitely think I'm gonna be more aware of the conditions, you know, because there are still people who can only afford buying at the thrift store, and like as much as thrifting is good for the planet, it hikes up the prices a lot for people who do need to shop there. So I don't know, just be aware of that situation. Obviously, like go thrifting if you want to go thrifting because I think it's super fun and you can find a lot of styles that are not sold in stores. We've established that it's more sustainable than buying from fast fashion. But the point is, there's a lot of points. Today, I'm going to be going thrifting for a very specific purpose, and I'm gonna try not to get sidetracked by other clothes that I don't currently need. But today, I'm going to be thrifting for outfits for my music video. Wow! My song, what's it called? It's because I've been calling it chair song for so long that sometimes I forget what it's actually called. It's called Someone I Never Had. You guys who know the backstory about how it's a breakup song about a thrifted chair. I'm really excited, kind of nervous, but stream the song on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, wherever you listen to music. I have no idea how the video turned out yet, clearly because I'm thrifting for the outfits right now. This is the inspo for today's search. I'm going for this kind of 2000s bedroom scene theme. So I'm looking for like a monochromatic red outfit, maybe some baggy pants, hopefully in red, like a cropped red zip hoodie. Probably won't be able to find that. And then like some sort of comfy tank top situation. And then I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find this exact dress because it's kind of very specific, but I'm trying to find like a yellow puffy dress because we're going for like a video game theme and I'm trying to give off peach vibes. If not, I'm gonna try to find some fabric so that I can make the dress. But yeah, those are the two looks that I'm looking for. The issue is I only have 2 days until the shoot. We're kind of on a time crunch. All right, let's go thrifting. Really need to stop donating the baskets because I will buy them all. You guys know my kryptonite is rattan. rattan. Like, I really wrote a whole song about a rattan chair. Don't think I won't buy it. The only reason why I'm not is because I literally have like 10 baskets sitting at home. This is kind of cute, but I don't know if it fits with the vibe. Oh my god, this is exactly what I'm looking for. This is perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys. You can't see my mouth, but it's wide open. Okay, so I'm gonna have this as the outer layer, and I don't know which one I want to use as the inner layer. This one has more of like a green tint, but would make it more saturated. This one is white-ish, so it would reflect the yellow, this color better, but then it wouldn't match as much. I'm gonna layer these two. That's kind of what it would look like. This is what this would look like with the white underneath. I'm in the shoe section. I found these boots. Hear me out, okay? I know they're ugly, but I feel like it would go well with the yellow puffy dress that I'm trying to wear. It's $30.99. Do I want to pay $31 for these? That's a solid maybe. I think that they're like ugly enough that no one's gonna buy them in the next couple days. I may be pulling a chair situation where I leave it because like I think that no one's gonna get it, but someone does get it. Honestly, I'm not that attached to them, so it's not that big of a deal. I just wish they looked a little better. I wish they weren't lace. But it's a little ill-fitting. Tip for thrifting, especially during COVID, because there's no fitting rooms open for us anymore. I wore like a relatively tight like tank top, white neutral, so that you can try stuff over it, and it also matches if you want to wear hoodies or cardigans over. Just make sure that your outfit is like super basic. Oh my god, this is so cute, but I don't need it. See, I'm showing restraint. I think that's gross. Wait, this is so cute. Wait. Do I need to show restraint? Question, is he the jar or the juice? Scintillating questions. Scintillating questions? I just need to stop using big words. It's the way that Angry Birds had a grip on society. A death grip. A chokehold. Sweating out of crevices I didn't even know existed. You know what? I feel like that one TikTok of I feel so bad, but I laughed for like a good 10 minutes when I saw this TikTok. I feel like that TikTok of Jesse McCartney with the severest case of swamp acid that I've ever seen. And then he trips at the end. Don't even get me started because I will start laughing for another 10 minutes. Anyway, welcome back home. Sweaty Jen here. And I'm going to do a little haul. I really only just stuck to what I absolutely needed. There were a lot of cute things. I showed restraint and I'm proud of myself. So first of all, I got the most perfect and most beautiful fabric ever, and you guys saw this when I was at the thrift store, but this is like a yellow golden organza fabric. I don't know what kind of water they're being fed at Valley Village. It must be like Fiji or like Vancouver tap water. I don't know like who donated this. This is absolutely exactly what I'm looking for, and I think it's just the right amount of fabric. I'm not sure if it's enough, but like I just really got so lucky with this, and I can't wait to make a beautiful dress out of this. So this was $3.99. I'm gonna have the dress of my dreams for $3.99. This is... who do I think? You would not believe your eyes, but believe it. I think to this day, that might be the best find that I've ever found at the thrift store. And then next, because I don't think this is quite enough to make the dress, even though it looks like a lot, I got some more fabric, but I figured that this will be a good lining for the inside. It's obviously not yellow, so unfortunately it won't match that well, but hopefully it works. And I'm gonna be making that dress in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Or if you want to see how it turned out, go watch the music video. And then I also wasn't sure if that was enough, so I got more fabric. This is not organza at all. It's like, I want to say like linen, but no. I really don't know my fabrics that well, so I'm just going to say it's a white fabric. And this one was also $3.99. And then this one was also $3.99. $4 each, 4 times 3 is $12. $12 for a dress. Now on to the clothes. I think you saw me try this on earlier, but I got this little tank top action. It's just like a red tank. It says California. I'm gonna try to like take that off if I can. I think it's like a kind of a 2000s look because actually, you know what? It's very Troy Bolton. Tell me I'm wrong. But I think it's a good look for like a comfy bedroom loungewear look. So this is an option. This shirt was $3.49. So I figured that even if I didn't wear it for the video, it was only like $3 and I would still wear it outside of the music video. So yeah, I wasn't sure what exactly I wanted to go with. I didn't know if I wanted to go for like a tank top and like baggy pants or like just red pants, or if I wanted to go for like a baggy top and baggy pants. So this is like a super baggy XL men's red t-shirt. It does say Reebok on it, but I do want to do like a iron-on transfer for some kind of image or like my own logo, or if I want to put Gen Z on it. I'm not really sure yet, but I guess I have like a day to figure that out at this point. And this one was $8.49. And then I got this pair of pants. Hear me out, okay? This is a men's 32 from Kirkland. Actually, I find that Kirkland jeans and pants are like really good quality. There were actually a lot of them at the thrift store. I believe it's a Costco brand. I want this to go with the red fit. Obviously, these are not red yet. So my plan is, I really wanted to have like a skater girl baggy look, so I figured that I could wear it with either this shirt or this shirt, but I would need to alter this because it obviously doesn't fit me. I'm planning on taking in the waist a bunch, maybe taking this up a little bit, but the grand plan is to dye it red. I'm not sure if it's gonna work exactly. I was looking at all the jeans and there are a lot of jeans that would fit better, but they're not really dyeable to red, and I figure tan will go to red relatively easily because it's on the warmer side already. Wait, actually, what if I make it low rise? I honestly can't believe that we've returned to 2000s fashion because I thought that we all collectively as a unit agreed that 2000s fashion was the worst. Here we are. As long as we don't bring back low-rise skinny jeans, I'm okay with it. I don't know who invented them, but they just wanted everyone to suffer. Could these be viable? Actually, no, the crotch is way too low. But this one was $14.49, which is definitely more on the expensive side, but I think it's a really good quality pair of jeans. Those are all the things that I got. I only bought what I really needed, and I really hope that everything comes together in the 2 days that I have to prepare for this shoot. I had a lot of fun thrifting actually, and I just haven't been there in a long time and I miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out the music video and go listen to the song, stream it, play it, put it on loop, share it with your friends, and I really hope you guys like it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe